Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. As it's the Christmas season, I've got a delicious recipe for you for goose fat roast potatoes. Yes, you can do goose fat roast potatoes in the air fryer. You don't need as much goose fat as you would in the oven, and they taste absolutely delicious. So you may wonder, what ingredients are we using? Well, of course, we have the goose fat. And then as well as this, some salt and pepper, some mixed herbs, some dried thyme, and of course I've already prepared some potatoes. This is just a half a bag full of potatoes, perfect size for the roasties. And then the other thing that needs to be taken into account is I've done proper sized roast potatoes like you'd have in the oven. So these are going to take a little bit longer in the air fry, but they'll be worth it because they'll be just like the oven roasted ones, just not as greasy. So they're going to be amazing. So let's get started. Have your potatoes ready to go after you've peeled and sliced them in half, either in a mixing bowl, or we've got this lovely jug here because it's easier to pour the ingredients in the air fryer. And then let's get started, shall we? Salt, lots of salt for roasties. Pepper, mixed herbs, dried thyme. You can mix it up depending on what seasonings you like at Christmas. I like dried herbs the most because they're so easy on potatoes in the air fryer. And then this measuring spoon here is the equivalent of 2 tablespoons. We only need 1 tablespoon in these. So let's just fill it halfway. So that's a good portion there to put on them. And then use your hands to give it a good mix. I know it's really not a lot of oil, is it, for air fryer roasties? It's just brilliant how little you need. Oh, and I'll have to go and give my hands a wipe. But one thing I do get asked is, why would you use goose fat or duck fat in the air fryer when the air fryer is about healthy oils? Well, the air fryer isn't necessarily about healthy oils, it's about using a lot less oil. So, you know, try to do roast potatoes in the oven with just a tablespoon of duck fat or goose fat, and you know they're going to be dry and horrible, whilst in the air fryer, that's all you actually need. So I'm going to wipe my hands, just drying them a little bit. So, herbs out of the way. I'm going to put the lid on that goose fat because I don't want it falling everywhere. And air fryer basket open, pour in your goose fat roasties, give them a shake so that they spread out like that, and let's get them on, shall we? So I'm going to start with 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 25 minutes because they're large roast potatoes. And we cook at the lower temperature first because you want them lovely and fluffy in the inside and then crispy on the outside. And that's exactly what we're going to show you right now. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fryer plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you, and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery lists, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fryer Christmas recipes. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on our goose fat potatoes so far? Oh, and in case you're wondering, because I do get this question a lot, can you use goose fat and can you interchange that with duck fat? Yes, you can. We've done duck fat more than we've done goose fat. And also, if you're cooking duck in the air fryer, save that fat that goes to the bottom because that is perfect for some duck fat potatoes. So, let's check on it, shall we? Oh, look at those already. Aren't they looking fantastic? So now, what I always recommend is that you do is so that you can gauge the level of doneness. Fork test to see if the fork tender. Give them a spray with some olive oil just to stop them from drying out, and then we'll put them back on. So, fork at the ready. I wasn't joking about the fork test. And then I can get this one here on the fork. And that one as well. Bearing in mind these are bigger roasties than I normally do. I normally do smaller so that I can just very quickly cook them. But I'm being more realistic and giving you normal, regular sized roasties like you do in the oven. So a good spraying of olive oil. And then let's put them back on. 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. And we've beeped. So shall we check on those Goose fat potatoes? Wow, you can see more of a colour coming on them now. I'll shake the air fryer. You hear the sound of them as well. And a few of the bigger ones still need a little bit longer. So I'm just going to pop them back on for another 10 minutes. At 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then we'll come back. So the air fryer's beeped, so shall we check on those potatoes? Wow, look at those. Don't think it gives it justice in there, so I'm just going to show you what they look like on a white plate. And wow, look at those for potatoes. Don't they look fantastic? Oh, look at that beauty. Oh, are you impressed? That is just how easy it is to cook roast potatoes in the air fryer with some duck fat or goose fat, depending on what you've got. They're a fantastic way of doing the potatoes. And just remember to stay low on the temperature, because if you cook them at 200 Celsius, you'll end up drying them out and you want them fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. So let me cut into one and show you what I'm talking about. Knife and fork at the ready. Oh, look at how wonderful they look inside. Don't they look fantastic? And so crispy on the outside as well. I mean, they are so good. And it's just having some patience when it comes to roast potatoes in the air fryer, and they're just so nice and easy. And if you don't want to wait for a long cook time like this, then look at this kind of size and half them again, because then you can reduce the cook time by about 5 minutes, because it's getting them fork tender in the middle. And if we don't get the chance again, Merry Christmas from Sam and Dawn. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.